Where are we going?
Disneyland.
Why are you putting him to work? We just got here.
Burger King around here? I'm hungry.
We do.
Where? Do you have, let's see, lemonade? Sure. Caviar? You need extra price? No.
So I wanted to buy Robux, which is like the in currency, so I could buy like clothes in the game. And then I knew you were gonna say no, so I stole your credit card.
You seen my credit card?
And
My
I'm
goodness,
just
I
kidding.
thought you did.
I'm a good kid, so you know what I did?
I know. I'm like, what?
Instead, I had to search so many ways. Yeah.
You have the system.
On this app that basically I could download apps and it would give me money. You wanna know why you had to
Good
keep
job.
taking the laptop to Best Buy? Because Cheska put like 5,000 viruses on it. That's nasty. Try the zesty sauce. Oh, that's right.
Ow!
Girls. That's what she said. That was good. I didn't taste it. I'm a Superman. Hello.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going to Disneyland.
What's the ride today? What's the ride?
I love the tram so much.
Crispy.
Where'd that come from? It's a long story. I don't want to get into it. But basically... Mom. Welcome to my favorite ride. I love this one.
Jump up and down. Jump up and down.
Girl, you pterodactyl fly.
Nice, huh?
What happened? You keep missing it.
It's me.
That wasn't me.
Oh, you're crying? Who's crying?
I'm a Disney adult.
Yes, I'm going to put a crying emoji.
Going on the train now. After we take a lot of pictures.
Yeah, train. Actually, we're not going on the train yet.
What? Give him a little dander, you
It
know?
looks like a freaking movie. You see this?
It's like a movie set.
Can you tell it's stressful? Show my boots.
We missed the train. I think we did too.
We've made it to
Disneyland.
what ride? Land.
Oh, Tomorrowland.
Yeah.
The rider
Astro Blasters. Personally, I think Mamala's gonna win.
I don't think Mama will even click or hold the blaster.
I'm in my element.
Like Kendrick Lamar.
My land.
Guys, Yana is a sabotager. She tried to spin us around the whole entire time, but I still won.
I think mine was broken.
We came out of, where did we come from?
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain, and now we're somehow at the parade. You're gonna see the parade, guys.
It's 4 o'clock now, and now we're at Pirates of the Caribbean. Second favorite. The smell. I love the smell. Just water. Just nice water. We're at Fantasmic. Oh, wow. Wow. These parts make me emotional.
I like the people who sing.
They sound like Filipino. I'm just biased.
Let's go. I'm ready to rock this.
It's 7:48 and we forgot to record, but we're in California Adventures. Today was a rough day for everyone, and my feet hurt. My shoes are ruined. My new shoes because of my roots.
Where is it? Stop it! Stop it! I'm gonna step on your shoe.
Guardians of the Galaxy. At least we did. They didn't because they were wusses. Ariel, Cars, that was fun. I feel like we rode one more on Spider-Man, Web Slingers. Now we're just in the float and chilling because everyone's tired. And Mama was smuggling food. Guardians of the Galaxy was 10 out of 10. Dad's water ball was over here, and it was
I made a song. I made a dance to the song.
We just watched World Color, and we secured our Jack Jack cookies. World Color was so magical. Look at how pretty. It almost got me too. Did it almost get you? Yeah.
Wait, what part for you guys?
Yeah, same.
Mine was up.
If I say it out loud, I'm gonna start crying. I don't know why. The family part, bro, I was gonna start crying for real.
From Up, the couple.
Yeah.
Carl and
For me, it was the college part. Like,
the college part, yeah. Especially when I saw Mulan and her dad, I was like,
I wonder what mom and dad think right now. Probably nothing. Now we're just waiting for them to think they're taking pictures, so we decided to go our separate ways to get Jack cookies.
I didn't eat it yet.
Her stomach hurts or something.
11 out of 10. I've been